Today we're back on the 48 and we're gonna deal with this Rough Crafts air cleaner. I'm gonna go ahead and swap this out for the DK Custom 606 air cleaner with the Transformer external breather. I'm gonna do that here, so now we'll have a definite Sportster reference on YouTube. Okay, let's get into it. This is the Transformer external breather system. You've got a plate right here. They said it's already set up and it comes with the little Allen key. I'm just gonna verify that these things are tight. They say to use the tall end or the short end to hold it, that way you don't over torque. Whereas if you used the short end, I guess you'd put a little bit too much torque, but these all seem to be tight from the factory. Inside, you can look at other videos, but inside there are channels. I'm not sure if you could see, but there's a little channel right here and a little channel inside. You got the breather, the gasket, the standoffs, hose fasteners, your catch filter that I decided to go with. I've already placed the O-rings inside the spacers. This part down here is actually used for your external hose, whether you route the hose to the front of the bike, this is how it's going to be installed, or straight down for a T. The 606 kit over here, I bought it initially without the transformer in mind, so it came complete with the K&N filter. In my case, this filter for the cap, not filter, but a little rubber sticky pad has already been installed, so it'll go on like that or like that. Okay, let's get her going. Okay, so I routed the filter on the other side around the outside of the oil filter and down through by the chin scoop here, but I might route it. You can't see it, but there's a engine shock dampener or something, a bar that goes across the front of the head here. It says caution, keep the hose off of the engine, so we'll see once we get everything mounted up. No center bolt, so how do you take this off? And we do got oil residue, but the inside threads of the filter are moist. Oh yeah, look at all that smudge. Can you see that? Throttle body is accelerator. The whole backside is just all jacked up. And that's from Harley's awesome internal breather system. So now we're ready to put the bracket on. You gotta put the gasket on first. It only goes on one way. Okay, you guys saw what I did wrong there, right? Did you guys identify it? So, spacers, but they don't want you to, I use no Loctite, but they want you to use plumber's tape. Right, plumber's tape acts to hold the bolt in and seal it at the same time. So, plumber's tape, people. All right, that's tight enough for now till I get the torque wrench action. The torque specs are 120 to 144 inch-pounds, and there's a couple ways you can do this. You can have a proper inch-pound torque wrench, which in retrospect I do not. This high-speed thing is a nanometer torque wrench, but there's conversions. 144 inch-pounds to Newton meters is 16.27 Newton meters. So your range is 120 to 144. So you want to set it to 16, good to go. I do not have a 1/4 inch to a 3/8 drive adapter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my big ass automotive wrench, right? And the difference is I can use foot-pounds, but in order to get the inch-pounds, obviously you have to divide by 12. Okay, just so you're tracking, I'll try and zoom in here. All right. Foot-pounds, 10 over here, set to 12. Or 144 inch-pounds. It's gonna go or what? Yo, that is tight, man. I'm not gonna risk it. I don't know why it's not popping. Probably because it's so low, but I'm happy. Moving on. While the camera was off, I rerouted the hose so that it's over the engine damper, I think it's called. That way it stays off of the engine. It is kind of right next to the O2 sensor plug, so watch out for that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to angle this for the bottom here and then fix it up right here. That way it's kind of floating between the lifters here and all this. It's kind of like a free thing. I don't know how it's going to look. All right, so again, Teflon tape. Find the hole. Do not cross thread it. Hey, nice job. Get up in there. There we go, like that, bam. Fix the hose. Get a slack jack. Give me some slack jack. Bam. And now a zip strip on here to hold it tight, and there you have it. Okay folks, now is the plate time. We have to install a gasket, another gasket, between the plate and the transformer. So, and then how do you know which way? Because your air filter is gonna sit right on this lip right here. All right guys, so I found a critical piece of information regarding the set screws here. On the original kit, the guts need to be separated and replaced with the set that they send you in order to get the distance into the transformer. So these from the 606 kit are too short. All right, so you need a 1/8 inch Allen, and I'm using a 11 millimeter. Grab your Allen key, stick it in there and unscrew it, separate it. You get the new one with the transformer kit and reinstall it, probably with thread locker, and then we start screwing. Try not to cross thread it. The difference, and now you'll have the reach. So let me go ahead and finish these up, and then we'll get back to putting on the bracket. And bam. So way longer. Now they'll have the reach. $40 to 60 inch-pounds. have like a little nylon washer on this thing. Okay, so it doesn't look like much, but when you compare the one from before, this is more filtered air with the same kind of K&N filter. I do have another set of pipes as well, looking at trying to get those pipes modified. But in any case, I'm sure there was a tune. I'm gonna need to do a tune, and that is upcoming. We got ourselves a win today, and that's important. We had some setbacks, some I don't know what, some unclear instructions, and then we figured it out and made it happen. Just remember, you got to find your wins. Every day you got to find a way to win, especially the veterans who no longer have a mission. You know, you are the mission now. You made it. You survived. You are the mission, but you still need to find a way to set goals and crush them. So this is one little thing. It's motorcycle maintenance at the gym, I don't know, but you got to find some way to win. So anyway, we will see you guys out there.